Oh, what a beautiful morning. After the weather we had yesterday, this is Sunday the 19th. This is the day after the Bagwell tournament. Crummiest weather I've ever fished in. Just crazy, y'all, crazy. No words to express. That thing should have been canceled. But anyway, we didn't get the slam that we sought after to get. Had 2 reds and a dink trout, and this was a weigh-in, so I couldn't carry the dink with me. Oh my goodness, you gonna hit it on top of the water like that? What the heck? What the heck? This is a big speck. I'm reeling it in fast 3 casts and he just comes up and eats it. Come here. Come here. Nice speck. Good old speck. Let's see where he goes. Hey. He almost goes back in the water. I'm turning you loose, baby. That speck is 20 inches. Oh man, where are these guys at today? As bad as I don't know how deep I am because I don't have my fish finder. Or I do, but something is shorted out. Ooh! Ah! What is that? Boy, that feels like a giant speck. Guys, this feels like a giant speckled trout. Oh, please stay hooked. Please stay hooked. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a big speckled trout, y'all. Gosh. It's a big speckled trout, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stay hooked. It's a big speck. That mirrordine, y'all. Lord have mercy. Oh my gosh. Come here, he's barely hooked. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, he's barely hooked. Why are all these fish barely hooked? Come on. Come here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what a trout. From the first explosion, my heart was racing because it came up like a redfish. Don't get me wrong. He's not a 30-incher to start off with. But he's not no 30-incher. But y'all, Oh my goodness. Guess you was hooked better than I thought. Now you're hooked in the eyeball. Y'all, look at this trout. Look at that trout. Let's put it on the board. See if it's bigger than the 24. Look at that, guys. Get her back in the water. Let's get one last look at her, y'all. Look at that trout. Look at that trout. Let's put it in. I'm gonna let you go, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Come here. You ready? Later, buddy. Wow. Let's get back at it, y'all. Right there. This is a big trout, y'all. Oh my God, a big trout. This is the second back-to-back. First one was 24, this one's bigger. Oh my gosh. Head cam on front ain't filming. Oh my God. Ooh. Come on. Just don't come off. This fish got a lot of weight, y'all. This fish got a lot of weight. Ooh, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. 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 Y'all, I'm shaking. He has got this mirrordine in his... Oh my, I hope I don't kill him. Y'all. Okay, it ain't bad. Hold still, I'm gonna get you loose, buddy. Y'all, the mirrordine. is. Y'all, look at this trout. I'm gonna have to let you, you're gonna have to let go of my thing. Alright, let them get a little drink in them. Show them off again. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that trout. Sure, I got a good release on her. Oh, she gone. We have a little wind blowing, so we're in this protected. These trees and grass got the wind knocked down off of us. I'm just gonna work this whole grass down all the way past the piers, all the way around this place, if I can. That's a big place. I know there's redfish somewhere in here, and I want one. Maybe out here, I don't know. Guess what, y'all? There he is. I was reeling in the recast and he grabbed it. That's our redfish. Oh, he's got mega head shakes. Mega head shakes. Feels slottish. Like a good 25, 26. If this is a trout though, I'm gonna have, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's feeling troutish now. What's going on? You know, that's my red. Come on over here and see me, baby. Yeah. You like that mirrordine? I know I do. Come on. Do another kick for me. Do another splash. Come on. Come on, baby. He's feisty. You gonna dance for me up here? Good golly, he's feisty. There's a little swirl. Yeah, I see you. I see you. I see you. Come here. Y'all, there's spots all over this. See, if they would have swapped that tournament to today, I can't argue. You get what you dealt, you know? This fish was barely hooked. Get out of there. What a fish, y'all. This fish has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 38, 39, 40. There's 40 spots on this redfish, y'all. Look at the spots on that side and on the tail. That's why I thought it was a speck. Then I flip it over. Look at the spots. That is a leopard red winner all day long. And if you slot, this fish is 23 3/4 inches. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. Well, y'all, that's gonna do it for me today. The wind has picked up. It's not good. Can't feel no bite, but had a great day. 20-inch trout, 24-inch trout, 26-inch trout, 23-inch leopard red. I mean, man, what a day, what a day. If y'all like content like that, hit that like button. If y'all haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I just went over 500. Things are booming. Putting out great fish. Add some more tutorial to it for y'all, but please get your friends to subscribe. It helps me greatly. You know, I'm gonna put this out there every time I get a chance to get on the water, so y'all stay tuned to the next one, and we'll see you out there.